Hello everyone. Let's dive into the COUGAR Apolar 120 ARGB PC case fans. This 3-fan pack promises high performance, cooling, with a dash of customizable aesthetics, and it certainly makes a strong first impression. One of the standout features is the quick release, tool-free connectivity. Mounting these fans is a breeze, offering flexibility in orientation without the usual hassle. This modular design is a welcome change, simplifying the building process significantly. Visually, the Apolar 120 fans are striking. The ARGB lighting is vibrant and evenly distributed, thanks to the strategically placed light bars. The design ensures that the lighting is fully visible from any angle, adding a premium feel to any PC build. Under the hood, these fans utilize ARGB hydrodynamic bearings. This fluid dynamic lubrication extends the lifespan of the fans while keeping noise levels down. The PWM control is another plus, automatically optimizing the RPM based on the system's temperature. This ensures efficient cooling when needed and quiet operation during less demanding tasks. The expanded fan size is also noteworthy. By fully circumscribing the fan, COUGAR has maximized the blade surface area. This design choice results in impressive airflow without sacrificing the visual appeal of the RGB lighting. The specified noise level is 37.1 dB, which is acceptable for high-performance fans. The 4-pin power connector and 3-pin ARGB connector are standard, ensuring compatibility with most modern motherboards. Each fan consumes 2 watts of power at 12 volts DC, which is quite efficient. In summary, the COUGAR Apolar 120 ARGB fans offer a compelling combination of performance, aesthetics, and ease of use. The tool-free installation, vibrant ARGB lighting, and efficient cooling make them a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their PC's cooling system.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.